I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all.
Hello my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make an elegant flower braided updo. So we'll begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then you want to select our crown section like I'm showing and clip it away for later. Then you want to grab your underneath section and make with it a low ponytail. Now we want to tease a little bit the ponytail, and then you want to twist it lightly, and then you want to wrap it around the elastic like I'm showing, pinning it in place. Now you want to release our top section and grab a small tiny piece from the heavy side and divide it into 3. Then you want to begin a simple 3-strand Dutch braid. So basically you cross a side strand under the middle one. Now before crossing you want to add hair to the middle strand. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until reaching our opposite ear, finishing with a simple 3-strand braid. As we are braiding, make sure to hold with one hand the braid and with another one to tug on the edge of the braid to make it fuller and beautiful looking. Then you want to continue your braid, finishing with a simple 3-strand braid.
You can try it for yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, ooh.
When you finish our braid, you want to tie it using a clear elastic. Wrap it around creative bun, hiding the ends under the braid. Pin it in place. Pull a little bit of hair on the crown to make it fuller, and they're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this elegant flower braided hairstyle. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hairstyle. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.